In this question, you're given 3 vertices of a triangle and you're asked to find the median and altitude of this triangle through vertex C. So let us try to find the equation of median first and altitude next. So what is the meaning of this question? So you're given 3 vertices A, B, C. A is 2, 1, B is -2, 3, C is 4, 5. First, you're asked to find the median of this triangle through vertex C. So we know that the median is the line joining the opposite vertex with the midpoint of the opposite side. So if you want the median, you need the midpoint of AB and you need to join that with the vertex C. So let us say that D is the midpoint. So CD will be the median. So D can be very easily found using the midpoint formula. So D is nothing but 2 minus 2 by 2, 1 plus 3 by 2. That is equal to 0, 2. So this point D is nothing but 0, 2. Next, what is the equation of CD? You know 2 points on this line. So using the 2-point form, you can find the equation of CD. So equation of CD is y minus y1 is equal to, the slope is 5 minus 2 by 4 minus 0 times x minus x1. This implies y minus 2 is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3 by 4 times x. This implies 4y minus 8 is equal to 3x. This implies 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. So this will be the equation of the median through vertex C. So if you want to check the correctness of this equation, you can just try to substitute these 2 points and see whether the line satisfies the equation or not. So 0, 2 minus 8 plus 8 is equal to 0 is right. 4, 5, 12 plus 8, 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. That's good. So the equation of median is 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Next, what is the equation of altitude? So what is the meaning of altitude through vertex C? So altitude is the perpendicular from the vertex. So if this is D, this time D is not the midpoint of AB. So I want a line through C which is perpendicular to AB. So here let us use the concept of M1, M2 is equal to -1 if 2 lines are perpendicular to each other. So let us first try to find the slope of CD. So A is 2, 1, B is -2, 3. So what is the slope of AB? 3 minus 1 divided by -2, that is equal to 2 by -4, which is equal to -1 by 2. So the slope of AB is -1 by 2. Now, if the slope of AB is -1 by 2, what is the slope of CD? Because AB and CD are perpendicular, we have already seen that you have to do the reciprocal of this number and you add an extra minus sign. So the reciprocal of this is -2 and you add an extra minus sign, that is 2. That means the slope of CD is 2 and the point C is 4, 5. Slope of CD is equal to 2. Hence, by slope and point slope form, you can find the equation. So y minus 5 is equal to 2 times x minus 4. Implies y minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 8. This implies 2x minus y is equal to 3. 2x minus y is equal to 3. So this will be the required equation. Thank you.